guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I have for you my November update to the whole collection Project Pan. So if you'd like to hear everything that I've been working on, hit goal on, and rolling in, let's go ahead and just get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was really an amalgamation of things that DW and I made together. The rules were inspoed by It's Just Steph's project, but you are randomly to generate 10 products to start, and then it's rolling style after that. 3 to 5 uses per product, and I'm using this as a way to determine whether or not I'm decluttering items from my collection. If you have not used a product at all within 2 months, it is an automatic declutter, unless for like some unforeseen circumstance, like you go on a makeup hiatus or things like that. You can't have more than 2 items from the same category unless like you're personally okay with it. Like I would take a million Super Shock shadows. That's totally fine with me. So we're gonna get on into my update. The things that have been in the longest. We have the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Fruit Punch. Has a lot of S's for me. This is what she looks like. I think I hit pan last update. If not, hi, I hit pan. I used this once in October for 2 out of my 3 uses. Obviously, I've used it so I don't have to declutter this, and I'm keeping it in because I know I can hit my 3rd use hopefully by December, because I am working on other green items. So I don't think I'll have a problem with it. I do really love this Super Shock Shadow. I'm happy I got that 2nd use. I'm actually working on quite a lot of green items, so I really do think next update that'll be a rollout. Next, Ashley will move on to the other item, and then we'll talk about this. I almost want to talk about this last, but we won't. We have the SMB Beauty Savage Sammy Glitter. So this is an orange-based glitter, but it has almost rainbow sparkles in it. I did say by this update I had to use it once or it was a declutter, and I did use it once because I do really like this glitter. I think that it's really pretty. It's just a time and place for me to use glitters anymore. I'm kind of stepping away from like actual glitter. I love shimmers, I love duochromes, and if I'm gonna use a glitter, I'm more like the glitter that's on my lid today. It's a liquid glitter. Like using loose glitters like this, it's just a mess to use. Even though like I love loose pigments, but loose glitters, this glitter gets everywhere. Even though it's so pretty, and I love loose pigments, loose glitters are a whole separate story. But I did get my 1 use, so I do not have to declutter it. But if I haven't gotten my 3 uses by December, we will reevaluate this product. So that's what I think I want to do with this guy. I'm happy I got my 1 use, but we'll reevaluate him in December. And actually, let me write that down. Re-eval December. If uses not hit. Because if I don't write it down, it's not happening. Now, this product. This is my Morphe eyeliner. This is from the Avani Greg for the Bebs palette. I have it in the shade L-Dog, which is this navy blue. It's a hydroliner. All 10 of these down here are hydroliners, which you just activate these with water, and they're eyeliners. It should, in theory, have been so easy to meet the goal because I am working on a blue eyeshadow palette. Should be easy. I don't wear eyeliner. I just don't. And even if I do wear eyeliner, I'm not really reaching for hydroliners. And if I'm going to reach for hydroliners, I'm not... And I did just get a set of hydroliners from DW that I have in a little kit, so I don't necessarily feel the need to use these. Like, I just don't really love the quality of these, which means I don't even know if I want to keep this palette as a whole. Like, I just feel like I need to reevaluate this. I think I want to call this one done, because I really don't even want to work on this, and I kind of want to take these out of the project. I don't want to roll any more of these hydroliners in. We'll see. If one rolls in when we roll in new products, then we'll work on it. If none roll in, then I'm taking them out. But I'm calling that one done, and I'm calling it technically a declutter. So, how am I doing that? I'm still hitting it done. Declutter, and today is the 8th. Hello? Yes, 11:08, 24. Okay, so we are calling that one done. Highlighted. We are moving on. So that means I need a sticky note to tell me how many products I'm rolling in. Otherwise, I won't know what I'm doing. Roll-ins. 1. 1 so far. And now we turn our page. So now we have the Cover FX. This is the Perfector Face Palette, and I have mine in the shade Light Medium. And we were working on the Divine highlighter, which was this one, because it's backwards. So this was the shade Divine, and I got all 3 uses in October, and I hit my goal October 21st. It looks really dark in the pan, but on the face, it is actually really pretty. Like, it looks like it would have a cast, but it's gorgeous. So, rolling in a second product. We hit our goal on that. It was gorgeous. This was so easy to work on, so stunning to work on. Was very happy to have that in the project. Next we have the Jeffree Star Blush in Lollipop Luxury. I literally had gotten this the day that I did this update and rolled it in, so I thought that was hilarious. I put a 5-use goal on this one. I have not even touched this yet. Which I could have used it today in this look, but I was testing new makeup, which you'll have already seen that video. I will link it in the eye here. So that's why I didn't use it today, because I could have, but we did testing new makeup. So that stays in. I have another month to use that. Ugh, that's brand new. I know there's a hard and fast rule, but next, we have from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the gloss. Do you have a name? Nope, it's just a gloss. It's got a mirror on it. It's supposed to light up, but it does not light up anymore. Even though I just got it. It lit up once when I very first opened it, and then it's never lit up again in here. So, it smells like cake. It's a beautiful gloss. It's in the shade Salmon. I had a 3-use goal on it. I used it all 3 times in October to hit my goal on the 28th of October. It is beautiful. It has a gorgeous, like, slip to it, because I don't like a sticky gloss. I like more of, like, an oily slip. So, this is a goal met. And it is rolling out. And that's going to do it for rollouts, actually. We just have 3. So, we can put that up. So to talk about our last 3 products, we have the ColourPop Super Shock in the shade Moon Daisy. This did already have a pan. This is one of my favorite shades in my collection. I used this just once in October, so we still have 2 more uses on this guy. So we can put that back. We have the NYX Violet Smoke lipstick, which looks like this. I love this lipstick. I used it once in October. I used it today. So we have 1 November use, which because reapplications don't count for me personally, so. And I never know if you guys count reapplications, but I did use it today. So once October, once November, I just need one more use. That will definitely be a rollout next month. And the last item we had rolled in last month, which I have a 5-use goal on this because it's brand new. This was from the Alamar Cosmetics Viva Las Chicas palette. And we rolled in the powder blush, which is La Nina Fresha, or Fresha. I don't know. Freja, I don't know how we're pronouncing that, but it's the Bright Pop Pink Powder Blush. I have not touched that. I just haven't worn any pink blushes right now, okay? I am so sorry. All right, listen. Everybody get back in their places. So that is what we're doing. Let me get boxes here. Let me get this highlighter off. And we will roll in our 3 products. That is oh so very exciting. For you guys, it will be right here on the screen. Obviously, I will be doing a screen recording. So let me get there. We have 420 options. Love that. Woo woo. If you know, you know. Too many options, to be honest. Why are you doing something? Reset the wheel. Why are you already spinning? Reset the wheel. It's got too many options. My tablet's like, listen, lady. We're not doing this anymore. That's too much. All right. So our first, are we spinning? See, it doesn't even want to spin. We got the Makeup Forever Fixing Spray. I literally just got that, but I am okay with that. Makeup Forever Fixing Spray. We'll talk about uses after. Okay. What are we can't even see the wheel spinning because there's so many products. Pretties for Your Face Rain Washed. That is a loose pigment. Rain Washed. But it's a green. So we love that we're getting more greens. And our last product that we are rolling in is how many blushes am I working? I'm already working on 2 blushes. We are going to roll again. Is that from this palette? Shanty C. Oh, it's Shanty G. That is literally this pink eyeliner. I'm so upset. Morphe. Shanty G eyeliner. Okay, well, I'm going to grab all those products and I'll be right back. So, some things happened. The Pretties for Your Face Rain Washed. I guess, decluttered that from my collection. So we can't use that, and I apologize, because that's no longer in my collection. That's no longer in my drawer. I guess I never updated that, but that's gone. So I will have re-rolled. I believe that should have already been on the screen for you, but I have all 3 items. And we're going to talk about it. So, the first item we rolled in was the Makeup Forever Fixing Spray. I literally just got this in my October BoxyCharm. And I'm going to put a 5-use goal on this just because I know literally in the next month I will hit my 5 uses. I liked this. I used it in this look. It smells good. I think it works good. And this is an illuminating setting spray. So I'll have to make sure that this, because I believe this was a fixing spray, and this is what I've been using, but if this is an actual setting spray, then like these are going to work beautifully together. If this is a fixing spray, then I'll just put this up, get my uses on this, and go back to this. Because I'm trying to finish this, and it is, where are you at? It's down to here, so trying to finish it, but that's on my own time to figure that out, but 5 uses on the Make Forever spray. Next we rolled in, I'm so pissed, we rolled in the Shanty G. I don't know why I had it as Shanty C, but that is this pink eyeliner, the light pink. And I'm not going to swatch it for you guys. I'm not going to get water out and swatch it. So I am literally putting, I want to put a 1 use on it so bad, but we will put 3 uses on that one. And that's the universe saying, hey, you need to keep trying this palette. So that's the universe saying, hey, maybe the navy blue wasn't for you, but maybe the other shades will be. So the palette goes back in the drawer. It's so dumb. I'm so mad about it. And then it rolled in the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade So Quiche, which I really do love the shade. It's like a bronze to pink flip, and it is gorgeous. It is another favorite. And I'm just going to put a 3-use goal on it because, you know, I'm working on so many singles. I think 3 uses is fair, especially because I know I already love this shade. I think 3 uses is a fair game. So that is going to do it for my November update. I do think I'll have at least 2, I think I'll have 2 rollouts for sure, maybe 3. So that is going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.